The people in those houses had very few legal protections. And so the investors were able to take advantage of them. Like, hi, everyone, Michelle at Terner Housing Innovation Labs. We're a nonprofit affiliate of the Terner Center for Housing Innovation at UC Berkeley. What is rent to own? At its most basic concept, it is the ability for a person to move into a house and pay rent in that house while acting like an owner and having the functional right to purchase that property in the future. Broadly, this fits into a category called seller financing. And this was something that was exploited and abused through the 1900s. What at that point was called contracts for deed. Very similar to rent to own, in which it was used explicitly to target families of color, home buyers of color who were excluded from traditional mortgage markets. Investors move into neighborhoods where people couldn't get traditional financing or a pathway to a home, purchase a bunch of properties. We saw millions and millions and millions of dollars of wealth stripped from families of color. One missed payment kicked them out of the house, lost anything that they put into the house, lost any investments they made in the maintenance and improving it, and would often have also like balloon payments that would come out of nowhere, in which if the person living in the house couldn't pay it, they would be kicked out. This we probably did decrease in the passage of the many series of civil rights legislation. However, we've seen it come and go over the past couple decades under the same title of contract for deed. The emergence of this modern, under a different language of rent to own, which is trying to take some of the pieces of what that seller financing was and build it into a product that maybe could work as a bridge to homeownership.